Meet Jim, the gym owner. Jim needs new equipment for his gym to help him grow his business. But to do that, he needs some extra capital. Jim is bombarded daily with emails, phone calls, and mailers from various financial companies offering him fast money. But Jim isn't sure how much capital he really needs or what he can afford right now. Jim wants to speak to a real person who will take all of his finances and business goals into account to recommend the right funding. While it is easy and possible to apply online, Credibly prefers to take a more human approach to accessing capital. Scott, a customer success expert at Credibly, walks Jim through the right-sized capital process. For many small business owners like Jim, securing access to capital is critical to growth. But when you're ready to take out a loan, it's crucial that you don't simply look to borrow right away, but more importantly, the right way. Credibly's approach is to get to know you, the business owner, and your long-term goals. Our uniquely customized approach considers your overall business health, not just your credit score and bank balance. Our holistic underwriting process includes data crunching software and a razor-sharp team of people to help you access the capital you should be approved for, rather than the biggest amount you could be approved for. After learning more about Jim's business and growth plans, Scott determined that Jim needed $30,000 for new gym equipment, plus an extra $7,000 for maintenance. Credibly approved Jim for $37,000, delivered to his bank account within 48 hours, the right-sized loan that Jim needed at the right time. Right-sized capital is the future of funding. Just ask Jim, the happy gym owner.